Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Credit Karma for credit score insights, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Credit Karma, which is www.creditkarma.com. Once the site loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check to ensure both your email and password are entered correctly. If you need to retrieve your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the instructions in the email sent to you to reset your password, if necessary. Once both fields are filled out correctly, click on the Login button to access your account. After a few moments, you will be taken to your Credit Karma dashboard. Here, you can view your credit score and various financial insights. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button instead. Follow the prompts to create your account by entering the required information. Once your account is set up, you can log in using the steps previously mentioned. Now you are ready to explore your credit score insights on Credit Karma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.